All right, so to solve this, we're going to first start off by multiplying everything by 10xy. And that's because it's going to eliminate all the denominators. So multiplying all the numerators by 10xy. You'll see that the first expression will just be xy on the left. And then here the x's will cancel. And you'll just get 10y. And then here the y's will cancel. And we'll get 10x. Now let's go ahead, let's bring everything to the left. So then we subtract 10x and 10y, so we get xy minus 10x minus 10y is equal to 0. And then let's factor out an x here. Let's go and factor out an x. We'll get y minus 10 minus 10y equals 0. Okay, so we're going to do a little trick here because we want to be able to make this into a binomial. So keeping this as x times y minus 10, what we're going to do here is factor out this 10 like this. And we want to make this group also be a y minus 10. So let's say we put a minus 10 in here. That means if we distribute this out, we're going to get plus 100 on this left side. And that way, since that's happening, we're going to need to cancel this out. And add 100 also to the right side. So to balance it out, let's add 100 over on this side. That way it keeps the equation balanced. So then we just get now x minus 10. We can now factor this group out times a y minus 10. That'll be equal to 100. Then with this equation, we can set this up into the product of all the factors of 100, because 100 could be broken into 1 times 100, or we can get 2 times 50, or 4 times 25, 5 times 20, and just 10 times 10. So let's have these be set equal to our x's. So these are like our x's on this side. And the ones over here are going to be the y's. So for the first group, we want to have x minus 10 equal to 1. That means x will be 11. And then we have y minus 10 equals 100. That means y would have to be 110. The next one, x minus 10 will be 12, or will be 2. That means x will be 12. Y minus 10 is 50. So then y is 50, or y is 60. Next one, x minus 10 is 4. So y is 4, or x is 14. Y minus 10 is 25. So then y is 35, and so forth. X minus 10 is 5. So we get 15. Y minus 10 is 20. So we get 30. X minus 10 is 10. So x is 20. Y minus 10 is 10. So then y is also 20. So these are going to be 5 possible solutions. So we would have, writing them as ordered pairs, we would have 11, 110. 12, 60. 14, 35. 15, 30. And then 20, 20. Now we could also just flip these around because we can make this side equal to the 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and this side equal to the 150, 25, 20, 10. So then the other possible solutions would just be 110, 11, 60, 12, 35, 14, 30, 15. And obviously we can't flip that one around because we already have both of them being equal to 20. That was a terrible boxing job, but there we go. There's our 9 possible solutions. I hope that helps. Feedback is always welcome, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.